stylist. Could you please tell your kind name?
Yes, my name is Soriano. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist, and we are here now at Burjuman Mall to do the Shop the Style project for the DSF.
How many years have you been here to see?
Well, I've been doing fashion styling for so many years now, and for this piece, for this space, we have collected some pieces from the different stores here in Burjuman Mall. I picked out some of the trends for 2021 fashion trends, so we have a pack of colors here. This is the 2021 color trend. We have bags and shoes that are available in Forever 21, boots there from Gaudi, different clothes here in earth colors for men and women. So many styles that you can find.
Yes, so all these things we can find in this mall, Burjuman Mall.
Yes, that is correct. It's easy access to all the fashion and style that you like, that is suitable for any body types, any skin color. So many different things that you can find here.
Would you like to tell some of the dresses?
Well, this pieces, okay, like this for example is from a store called Souvenir. It's very classy, like you can pair it with different types of clothes, and then this is the denim, which is also one of the trends for 2021. Paired it with a dress with pearls and shimmery as well, and the leather jacket, which is also one of the trends for 2021 for men and women, and this sweatshirts for trends also. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We would like to call our celebrity fashion stylist, co-founder of the Style Curators Dubai, a graduate of Central St. Martin's London in intensive fashion editorial, commercial, and catwalk styling, named one of the 100 most influential Filipinos in the Middle East, and has styled and worked with celebrities like American singer and songwriter Miguel and pop singer Mariah Carey. Let's all welcome Ms. Grace Soriano.
Hi Grace, how are you? Hi everyone, my name is Janice. That was a great show. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I see we have people in the balconies looking down too. So Grace, let's just start off. Why don't you talk us through each style and where we can get it here in Burjuman?
Very well. Okay, so for this look, this is a sweater dress and a newspaper boy hat.
Where can you buy this outfit?
Well, these items are available in Forever 21.
I do like the beanie on this outfit.
I love it, yeah. Okay, so for this look, he is wearing a sweatshirt and I paired it with a utilitarian vest, which is also one of the trends for 2021. So this color is one of the colors for 2021, which is the ultimate gray, or like the pebbles, the colors of pebbles. And I paired it with a beanie and a khaki jeans and the sneakers that is matching with the sweater. So this look is available in LC Waikiki. Yeah, we also have some pieces from Cotton On and what do you call this? Arrow.
Oh, okay, so it's a kind of a big mix of all the stores here. Alright, thank you. Okay, for a new kind of school girl that wanted that cooler.
So for this look, another trend for 2020 is like the granny sweater. I paired it, it's like a school girl, but I added it with the combat boots just to add an edge. This is also another trend for 2021, and this look is available. This is from LC Waikiki, Forever 21, and the boots is from Forever.
I really like this one. It's my favorite.
Yes.
Thank you. Are these all winter, you say, or like
Yes. So, earthy colors, you see a lot of earthy colors for this year. This is a burnt orange paired with a black granny sweatshirt as well, with the pants and sneakers from LC Waikiki.
Fantastic, amazing, thank you so much. And thank you, models, thank you. So, you can have a free fashion makeover with Grace herself. You will be styled with outfits from various stores right here in Burjuman. As I said, it is free. So how can you participate? You just need to speak to me. So we will be doing approximately 4 today. So come to me as soon as you can to book a slot. Don't forget, all of the activities that you see around me are free of charge. You only need to register with a QR code at the front desk. We've got virtual dance, if Marie will demonstrate, and then the virtual dressing card. Also, again, all of the outfits you see here, you can buy at Burjuman. And the Style Illusion Bureau has a photo op. So thanks so much, everyone.